लगता है ड्रग एडिक्शन है बी टाउन में कॉमन बीमारी। चाहे हो साहिब, बीवी, गुलाम या फिर खुद स्टार्स, ये अक्सर हो जाते हैं नशीली ड्रग्स का शिकार। As a strapping young 19-year-old, Sanjay came into the limelight with his debut film, Rocky. Sanjay's dad Sunil Dutt tried to draw his career chart, but the young Sanjay allegedly gave in to the call of the wild. Drugs apparently almost took him to the point of no return. But finally, Sanjay returned after a stint at a rehab in the United States. Fardeen Khan ने भी ली थी खूब drugs, और वो red-handed पकड़े गए when he was in the process of procuring drugs from a drug peddler. फरदीन हो गए arrest and काफी bad press भी उन्हें मिली. But now he's married and after all the legal hassles, शायद हम ये उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि फरदीन हो गए होंगे sober down. राहुल महाजन की भी किस्मत ड्रग्स के कारण ही फूटी। अच्छे भले नेता बनने चले थे वो अपने डैड की ट्रैजिक डेथ के बाद। पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने तय कर लिया था कि वो उनके डैड की जगह राहुल को खड़ा करेंगे। पैसा, फेम एंड अ ग्रेट पॉलिटिकल फ्यूचर सभी था उनकी मुट्ठी में, लेकिन उनकी मुट्ठी ने मांगा कुछ और। अच्छे लक को अपनी हथेली से फिसलने दिया फॉर अ फ्यू ग्राम्स ऑफ ड्रग्स। उनके फ्रेंड की हुई इस इंसिडेंट में मौत और राहुल महाजन का पॉलिटिकल करियर भी पिट गया। मनीषा कोइराला की भी इसी आदत ने उन्हें एक बार डाल दिया ऑन ऑल फ्रंट पेजेस ऑफ टैबलॉइड्स एंड मैगजीन। मनीषा ने तो प्रेडिक्टेबली डिनाई किया था दैट शी वाज नॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड, बट Manisha's phone number was found programmed in the speed dial of a drug dealer's cell phone at the time of his arrest.
रोशनी दुबे, Zoom, मुंबई।
So superstar से लेकर star wives क्यों करते हैं ड्रग्स के लिए ruin अपनी lives? Let's start a party shorty with pastry pioneer and B-town expert Simi Chandok and get some answers. Simi, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Take us through this. What's happening with this affection towards addiction?
You know what? It's bound to happen. इनको सब कुछ लाइफ में इतनी easily मिल जाता है. Once they make it, of course पहले struggle होती है, but once they make it, Supreet, I think stars को, whether it's money, whether it's entertainment, whether it's sex, whether it's you know, life partners, anything you talk about, इनको सब कुछ इतनी easily मिल जाता है कि they just fail to get excited with normal things, you know. पहले जब नया नया पैसा देखते हैं तो it's about fame, it's about adulation, it's about getting the big directors. But जब आपको सब कुछ मिल जाए फिर क्या? और इनके लिए champagne and malts पीना तो हमारे लिए green tea पीने बराबर है. So it's no big deal for them.
So it's just a been there, done that situation, and
they're
it's a
very
boring
bored.
life
They've overdone everything. They've just, you know, totally done the overkill, and they have to keep moving on. And it's a very challenging life. You're being watched constantly. You always have to look happy. अगर आप खुश नहीं भी हो तो सब seemingly happily married हैं आजकल के couples. पहले तो एटलीस्ट थोड़ी स्टोरीज आती थी कि कहीं कुछ कहीं कपल का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या कहीं मैरिज में डिस्कॉर्ड है. आजकल तो देयर इज नो सच थिंग. एवरीबडी इज हैप्पीली मैरिड. तो अगर इतने दुख में उन्होंने इतना सुखी लगना है तो कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ पंप अप करने के लिए उन्हें चाहिए होता है. आई जस्ट फील दैट.
स्पेशली अब जो ऑल इज वेल टैग आ गया है ना बॉलीवुड में.
ऑल इज नॉट वेल फॉर श्योर. गा सकते हैं. एंड हेलो बाय द वे, जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर सेइंग ऑल इज वेल दैट डज नॉट मीन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आमिर खान और हिज वाइफ. No.
Just the tag. That's
yes,
what
just the tag. Yes.
But see, you mentioned name, fame, all of that they achieve. But isn't all of that on stake then? I mean, it's all to lose.
It's like, I think जितना कुछ dangerous हो जाता है उतना it's exciting, they want to live life on the edge because उनकी जिंदगी होती है ऐसे. It's always about challenges, it's always about taking risks, and Supreet, I don't think this is true just about Bollywood. Even if you see the rest of the world, it's like Kate Moss, उसको डॉक्टर ने कहा था कि तुम बाहर जाके ड्रग्स करो. वो घर पे भी कर सकती थी बट नहीं, वो रास्ते पे बैठ के कर रही थी और उसने अपना पूरा करियर ऑलमोस्ट रुइन कर दिया था. एंड देन शी वाज लकी टू मेक अ कमबैक. तो अगर आप हॉलीवुड में भी देखते हो ये इडियट्स हैं, ये लोग बाहर जाके करते हैं बट इन्हें कहीं कुछ प्लेजर मिलता है. दे लव टू प्ले विद फायर, दे लव डेंजर.
They want rave reviews.
Yeah, no, they want rave parties, not rave reviews.
But what's happening with the star wives? I mean, what direction are they taking?
Supreet, they have nothing else in their lives. बच्चों को उनके नैनीज पालती हैं, वो इतने सारे वेकेशंस लेती हैं, पता नहीं हस्बैंड कितने सारे अफेयर्स कर रहे हैं, बेचारी कितनी शॉपिंग करेंगी, कितने डिजाइनर्स बैग्स फ्लॉन्ट करेंगी. एंड they have to go out, they have to look good, and they cannot look good if they're feeling sad. This is probably their way, and total boredom is what I would say, because I think God has given them so much so soon, so suddenly, that they're just totally bored. They don't know what to do. They're miserable.
But knowing that the media will catch it, because the recent rumor that came in now with the star wife caught at the London airport with drug abuse, I mean, what's going on?
Supreet, I mean, it's not confirmed, but yes, the media has been talking about this, and it's not the first time I heard about this star wife doing this. She is famous for doing this at all her parties. Everybody knows about it, and ऊपर से seemingly happy picture है, बहुत सारी Bollywood की first wives हैं, and diva wives हैं, and everything is happening. We all know who's snorting what, and they just don't care when you see them at private parties. And probably this is one reason where high society probably lets you into their parties, and Bollywood will always have cameras outside. They drink too much, they snort too much, they're doing too much of everything that needs to stop. They're just destroying themselves, that's all I'll say.
So you think it's really just about वो दुख को छुपाने के लिए this is the sukh they have?
I don't think they're happy, क्योंकि अगर दुख सुख की बात कर रहे हैं तो अगर सुख होता तो ये अपने आप को यूं इंजेक्शन जरा देकर and ये सब करके दुख लेकर सुख नहीं ढूंढ रहे होते.
सिमी, आप ऐसी बहुत पार्टीज अटेंड करती हैं, तो कभी आपने ऐसा कुछ पर्सनली देखा हो या
Yes, Supreet, many a times, but I think the most shocking incident for me was where this actress was getting married to a filmy guy, and he was at the reception. He was in the men's restroom with 2 or 3 other guys, and he came out with a red nose. We all know what that means. He was obviously indulging in substance abuse. Recently, मैं एक party में थी where I was talking to one of the officials from the narcotic cell, and he was like, अगर हम पकड़ भी लेते तो उन्हें पता है कि वो छूट जाएंगे. Probably the authorities जो arrest करते हैं or who probably have the courage to take on a star or anybody popular, like he told me, they end up with egg on their face. Eventually वो छूट ही जाते हैं, and जो ऑफिसर होता है वो बेचारा embarrassed हो जाता है इस चक्कर में.
And then finally,
so somewhere they feel that they're above the law and they get away. And कानून के हाथ उतने लंबे नहीं हैं जितने पिक्चर्स में होते हैं.
Well, it's not just substance abuse, it's rehab abroad that's become a trend as well after.
Yes, either in fact हैदराबाद में भी एक रिहैब है जहाँ पर काफी स्टार्स जाते हैं and we don't find out, and abroad तो जाते ही और आके ऐसे शो ऑफ करते हैं जैसे पता नहीं कहाँ से कौन सी डिग्री लेके आ गए हैं. Recently, I think I heard of an actress, she was a top heroine who went abroad for rehab, and she came back flaunting some foreign degrees and everything. We all know, what they're doing. And yes, rehab जाते हैं, but सुप्रीत, जब तक ये अपनी कंपनी नहीं चेंज करेंगे तब तक ये rehab का कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है, because eventually वो वापस वही लोगों के पास आ रहे हैं who are addicted. And if you ask me, I think drugs are really eating into Bollywood.
And the most ironic thing is that these are the guys who endorse the no smoking thing in the films, and then this is where it's going up.
Well, you know what? They're just good actors, and that's what they are, and they'll do anything for money.
Well, hopefully not drugs.